What up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back to another one. Hope all is well. I'm going to catch up on some of the practices. I see this is on one-on-ones here, so I'm going to get caught up. So stick with me, and we're going to get to it. Guys, please do me a favor. Before we get into this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell notification so you can get updated on my latest content as it drops. All of that will be greatly appreciated by me. All right, so man, let's get into some of the sights and sounds of practice. This is my favorite part of the year, man. Well, it's one of my favorite parts of the year. Really, when the season starts, that's my favorite part of the year. But I like the behind the scenes footage again, courtesy of Well Off Media. As you can see right here, this is Well Off Media video. And yeah, man, so I like the first person. Like I said, I like the first person aspect of it. And that's what make all this work, man. So let's get into it. Make sure y'all can hear it. But for those that's watching the rebroadcast, welcome. Please give us a like. That'll be greatly appreciated. Subscribe and all that good stuff will be greatly appreciated. We got baby T.O. right here. He do look like he could be T.O.'s son, Russell. All right, that's his YouTube right there. Make sure you guys check out his YouTube. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna add it to the description because I got a bunch of YouTube pages. I gotta update it, by the way. I got a bunch of YouTube pages in the description. And so I'm going to add his, after I finish this right here, I'm going to add his video, his YouTube in the description so you can subscribe. Life of C5. Okay. Press the issue, man. You got to put in that work. I can't wait till they put the pads back on. You heard it. This man got denim tears cleats, man. He like, I borrowed some money. Big Warren Sapp. You know he a dog. He pull off that mohawk. He got to be a dog. Travis over there. Travis gained weight or what? Oh man, Coach Mathis said you better get that weight up. What are he about, 185? I thought Travis was at 190. He said 190 at the end of the month. High metabolism. High metabolism, man. I used to have a high metabolism, but yeah, it ain't working, man. I used to have a high metabolism, man. Let's see. Let's go to this.
All y'all pay attention. Y'all are doing this. Hey, same relay coaches had us do before.
Big Rock over there.
We hand it on to the next guy. We're just gonna run a regular relay. He's gonna grab one of those medicine balls and do a medicine ball. All right. All right. Make sure we're in compliance. So four of y'all are gonna go down there. 4 of y'all can stay on here. All right. So we're gonna relay back and forth. All right. So let's figure out who's going where. Let's split up. Let's go. I'll go this way. 20 yards spread. Hey, Kyrie, you can start it. Just hand the ball. Oh,
they doing races. That's what they doing.
4 down there, 4 over here. Hey, so hey, this is the finish right here. Let's go. I'm about to say. Okay. Yeah. Damn. Hey, bro, you gotta turn up, bro. I'm gonna set off some real speed. Hey, they got cash though. Let's go. Y'all got 2 minutes. Got it. I'll run this one first. You gotta turn up, bro.
Shout out to Justin Mayers. He got a high PFF grade. That article, I had just did an article on that. He got a really high PFF grade coming into the Big 12 this season. He's actually broke the top 10, actually. So shout out to Justin Mayers. I'm looking for him and Rock to do big things this year, man. Rock looked like he's ready to go. And by the way, with Rock, NCAA had just made that the ruling, and he had an extra year. Rock has an extra year, so if he decides he want to come back, he can utilize that. Because, you know, this was his last year if they hadn't made that ruling. Because he lost out last year, which was horrible. We could have used Rock last year. For real.
You say y'all running track. Like, hold on now. Y'all tell y'all, man.
Thomas over there.
Get that side, man. Roll like gray, roll white, none of that. Dark side. Yeah. Dark side. Your feet get taller. You third. I'm second. Yeah, you're taller. You think I'm talking to you, bro? I'm talking to him. Not throw that mark. Hand it off. Yo, Black Tony.
Lewis looked like he ready to get out there as well. He still got that fire in him. Come on, who's that? Cash? The other one? No, he dropped it. Cash, you getting it, huh? Rock gone. Look at Rock. That's a mismatch. Oh, defense won. That was on the defense. Those used to be fun. We used to do those back in high school. We used to do those back and forth sprints, and yeah, those were fun. Travis said the offense got to run.
Good job. Better start. Keep it up. We are sprinting on and off the field. Not jogging. We are sprinting on and off the field. So don't get your feelings hurt when we call you out because you're not sprinting off the field. We're going that. Here we go. Get back.
You got to sprint off the field. You understand that? You got that? You got to sprint off the.
No, offense got to run. Nah, that's it. We did yesterday. So get a break. Get a break. Get a break.
Make sure you sprint off the field, guys. Just sprint. I mean, just make sure you just sprint, man. You got that? You got that? I got it, coach. I got it, coach. I got it. He turned up.
Can't fumble the bag.
Can't fumble the bag, man.
That shit was live action.
Okay, let's see what we got right here. Got a little bit of one-on-ones. Look at he focused, man. That was good coverage, whoever that is. Who's this right here? That's Omarion. That's good coverage. I saw that earlier. Jimmy, focus, man. Okay, that's Staub throwing it. Okay, let's see. Nice, nice, nice. What Travis got going on? Oh no, that's that Travis. See what Caleb gonna do. Oh, who threw that? Nice catch. Damn, good coverage. Hold up, let me go back. Hold on a second. Caleb might have missed that route. Nice catch. Let me see this right here. Nah, that's good coverage, man. They go to freshman right there. Nice catch for the freshman. Nice catch.
That was good at catch, bro.
That's a nice catch.
Get on camera, but that was good at catch. Yeah, good. That was a really good catch.
Caleb Mathis. We call him the route god. Who else we got? Damn, I wish we could see all the one-on-ones. You know what I mean? We only could see a little bit. Just a little taste. Nice, come back to the ball. We got any more one-on-ones? Shador doing a little coaching. Wester probably turning into leader that wide receiver room. I could see that. All right, let's see. We got Coach working out. Oh, shoot, hold on. Oh, he talking about the days he had off. Yeah, Rock was gone for a minute. Where were you at, Rock? Oh, he's saying this is for you. You know how, like, when you don't see players at practice, people like, oh, where they at? Stuff like that. All right, let's see if we find another one. All right, this is a new one. I just, as I'm recording this, Bucky, shout out to Bucky, just posted a new video. Travis caught me wearing shorts. He said, why Travis think he's so funny? Cash App. Coach, hold on a second. Coach Sapp has a gift for Coach Prime. Okay.
You will get more fans. Only. Any motivation? Hey man, do work, man.
That's crazy. As I'm recording this, he came out with a new video. So yeah, see what we got here. Shout out to Coach Mo, strength and conditioning. Head of strength and conditioning, getting them boys ready. Shiloh in the house.
I know a little better than 2-1. No. Cinco minutos. You get your assignment when we get there. You gonna ask the defense what they call it? Okay.
Shane Cokes over there. Man, working at that altitude, man, that's one thing. Working at that altitude is a huge benefit. You know, it's a huge benefit going into the season because you should be able to run people. You should, when people get tired, you should be, you should be less fatigued during the games when you go somewhere normal. But it's an added benefit working at altitude. I know some people was telling me that athletes be, I don't know if you know Big Bear in California. Y'all know that, right? Big Bear. A lot of boxers used to go up to Big Bear to get prepared for their fights because of the altitude. It's a huge benefit. I don't know they're the highest level, though. I forget it's not Navy. Can't remember which one. But they got that extra benefit up there, though. Shane got bigger from last year. Definitely did. Oh, are they doing the stairs today?
I just missed my baby, but that's all. Hey, if you out there, I overly miss you. Okay.
That's Wester, right?
Hey, I overly miss you, man. If you out there, I'm putting in that work for you right now. Rose on camera for 4 hours. I know, bro. I just miss her, bro. That's all, bro. You be on the phone with your girl for 4 hours? Always got home. In the midst of you hanging out with your bro? I ain't even been on the phone. Sometimes, like, when you got a real one, like, they understand, like, I ain't even been on the phone with them for real, though, so I'm overly hurt right now. I'm really a papa alone out there working out.
He on the phone with his girl for 4 hours. I've been there, done that. I still do it. I don't know what we be talking about. Yeah, I've been on the phone so long, then you ran out of stuff to say. You just like, all right, let me go. Unless you got an old lady that can do this, that can talk. You just sit there and to death.
School over with. No, I'm just here so I won't get fined.
Lola, what they about to do?
Same lines, let's go.
Oh, they about to run again? Probably gonna run. I'm assuming that's what's happening. They done beefed up that offensive line, didn't they? But shout out to y'all watching, man. Please give me a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. You feel me? Give me the like. He's still talking about the shorts. Where big man from? Austria, right? I believe he's from Austria. He's like, I am here to protect the quarterback. About to protect. Bucky rocking the shorts. Probably got the Louis Vuitton shoes on.
Quick dynamic. All right, make sure you're behind the line. Check your feet.
Make sure you behind the line. It's not hard. Foot behind the line. Big C, and he definitely got bigger. I was thinking today, June 6th, they're probably going to have a break around the 4th. And then another session, then training camp.
You gotta make sure we're not talking, we're paying attention, and we locked in. If you guys are talking, somebody's gonna miss something. If you miss it, what's gonna happen? Don't mess up. If you mess up, you're gonna cost everybody. Not only call yourself, you cost your brothers as well. Alright? Combo skill, you be down here with Coach Moore, you got the shuttles, trenches, you over here on the man balls with me. Let's do the break. Let's do the break. Where you going? Come on, bro. Do it, Shane. Do it, Shane.
Word. Word. Let's go, Hood. Hearing some good things about you.
What does that mean? Because a lot of us viewers, we don't know what the clap is. When you see Bucky going 50 goals and come back down.
Travis getting that Bucky is hilarious. Come on, big man. Is that the quarterback? Yeah, and practice used to be fun, man. I remember these. We used to have a competition who's last. You know, we used to do all that. Or anybody listening, anybody planning on going to any games today, let me know. Drop a comment, let me know. What games are you going to? What games are you interested in? So let me know. Please, I hope I got my mic on. Yeah, I did a whole recording a couple hours ago, and my mic was muted. I was like, oh, man. Staub in the house.
As you can see, stuff is starting to get a lot cleaner. We still be out here running right now.
They're improving. That's a good sign.
We're doing a lot of good things. The leaders are leading. All right? And with that being said, new guys, all right? Y'all got to get with the program, get with the standard. This means a lot. This program means a lot to a lot of these guys.
Got to get with the standard.
Like we talk about life and death. A lot of this is to change the dynamic of people's families, so they take it serious, all right? So when they're trying to hold you accountable, don't get in your feelings. Don't get sensitive, all right? We all brothers. This is all about love, all right? We all got the same goal. So everything we do is together. Everybody with me on that? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You get text, it's okay. All right? I got brothers. I got teammates. All other strength coaches.
I feel like I'm in the huddle. You feel me?
But it's for the same purpose, for the same goal, so we all can climb and bring our brother with us. Everybody good on that? All right? If we fuck up, if somebody mess up, don't beat his ass down. All right? Get him right. Say, like, man, come on. Get on with this shit. But don't beat him down. All right? Sir. We all know as you get fatigued, you start to lose your mental. That's why we're doing all this. All right? We should lose that right now, so when we get into our season, get into our rhythm, we're not doing those things then. We're going to be the most
Right.
team, man. But that starts right now. We winning games right
Most
now.
conditioned team.
With that being said, I'll spread out. We got 100 down for y'all misses, all right? The guys that miss, you got 100 with the rest of your teammates, and you got to come back and make up your 10, 20, 30. Everybody good on that? Everybody spread out. You got 100 down, then we're finished.
100 down. All right. What we got here? Is that Sap?
Well, I was supposed to excel during the season, cause doing the excel during the summer, cause you get a little heavy. Oh,
What's Sap got going on here?
Sure. Come on, man. Oh. There you go. You told him to get in the excel during the summer. He get a little fat. Then you get sexy during the fall.
Sap hilarious.
You said who that? No, that's me.
He just like, nah, come on.
Yeah.
Coach up in there chilling, man. Had the lights off, coach back like this. Coach up in there chilling, man.
Yes. I like that.
And then,
Fishing shirt.
yeah, that's right. You know what time it
They
is.
don't know that. They don't know that. This is a fish. Big fella always has some gear on that when he comes back from Florida, and he had a really nice shirt on. And I said, "What is that?" And he said, "I got you."
Oh, yeah, that's that OGA right there, baby. That come from Hawaii right there.
Yes, Lord.
Yes, sir.
Till I got you.
Colors. That's my dog right there. Yeah.
Thank you.
See, he got gifts for me. He got way more gifts for me than I got for him, but you got to make sure the boss.
It's all a blessing, baby.
Thank you, baby.
I'm going to see you this too.
Yeah.
Shout out to Sap. Wait, I missed.
Thank you,
It
sir.
was our cup.
That's the recruiting manager. Shout out to the team, man. Looking good. Like I said, I'm catching up and whatnot. I like what I see, of course. And yeah, man. I'm hopeful for the season, man. I really am. I'm hopeful for the season. Really am. I just thinking about it, man. This summer's gonna go by fast. It really is. That's bull junk, man. I don't want the summer to go by so fast. I'm not really a winter guy. Are you guys? Are you winter or summer? Which one do you prefer? I'm not a winter or summer guy, man. I mean, I'm a summer guy. And I'm hoping to get somewhere into the summer. That's what I'm hoping to, but I got to keep that under wraps for now. But yeah, man, first game is in the end of August. So everything is going to be like, because I'm thinking, everything is going to move up pretty fast because the first game is in the end of August for everybody, actually. Colorado's playing the first game of the year, North Dakota State. And that's going to be a very watched game. I was reading that the bets are starting to go up on Colorado right now. Because if they did win the Big 12 championship, a lot of people are going to make a lot of money. That's why the curiosity is going up and the activity is going up in the betting area on this team right now. So, but yeah, man, like what I see, man. Drop a comment below. Thank you guys for your time. Please give me a like. That'll be greatly appreciated. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching, guys. But before you go, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also hit the bell notification so you can get updated on my latest content as it drops. If you have any video ideas, feel free to leave a comment below. Take care.